Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Wrenoin.com, a store that claims to offer the pinnacle of stylish fashion, flaunting everything from boho dresses to cap prints and artistic forest vibes. At first glance, the designs look incredibly attractive, but then again, so does a mirage in the desert right before you realize there's no water. Let's dive in and see if this store is actually a hidden gem or just a well-dressed disaster waiting to happen. The first red flag is as quiet as a grave. There are absolutely no reviews on their website. Apparently, their customers are either speechless with joy or, more likely, don't exist yet. We dug a little deeper and checked Trustpilot, where the reality is much grimmer. The site holds a depressing 2.2-star rating with over 150 reviews, the vast majority of which are negative. It's almost impressive how quickly they've managed to annoy so many people in such a short amount of time. Shoppers are reporting that the clothes look nothing like the glossy photos, citing cheap fabric, poor stitching, and sizing that seems to be based on an entirely different species. Shipping apparently takes forever, and some customers have straight up labeled the quality as garbage. Many noted that the prints look like cheap digital copies rather than actual fabric designs. Because nothing says high fashion quite like a pixelated cat printed onto a polyester rag that feels like a shower curtain. If you're hoping for a refund, you might have better luck finding a unicorn. Many people felt completely scammed after trying to return items, only to find that customer service barely responds. Instead of a refund, they often offer tiny discounts to convince you to keep the junk and go away. It's a bold strategy to hold someone's money hostage while ignoring their emails, but it's mostly just a great way to get reported to a bank for fraud. The technical side isn't any better, as the domain was only registered in February 2025. This website is literally younger than the leftovers in some people's fridges. While being new isn't a crime, combining that with stolen images found via Google Lens is a major trust issue. If they can't even be bothered to take photos of their own products, you have to wonder what they're actually shipping out, if anything at all. To top it off, their About Us page is a long, emotional story that conveniently omits any real names, faces, or company details. Most genuine brands are proud of their founders, but here, the creators are as invisible as the quality of their clothes. With the negative reviews, refund struggles, and copied images, Wrenoin.com is essentially a parade of red flags. It's much safer to avoid this site and stick to a store that actually exists in reality. Stay safe, shop smart, and I'll see you in the next one.